Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. My today's topic is Moulana Zakaria Kandhalvi, the author of the book Fazael-e-Aamal, the training manual of Tablighi Jamaat. I read a book by the title Tareekh-e-Mashaikh-e-Chisht. He has described the life stories of some of the Mashaikh-e-Chisht. This book was in Urdu and it has been translated into English by the Deobandis of South Africa. Descriptions of many of these saints are Awliya Allah. Okay. There was a wali by name Khaja Maudud Chishti. Capacity to do supersonic travel. That means whenever he wanted to go to Mecca, he used to go within a split of a second and come back. He has the capacity to know what is the inside of your heart, and what is the condition of the dead person in the grave. Away, his janaza went up in the air. Of another wali by name Khaja Sayyid Abu Yusuf bin Sam'an. For 20 years, and he remained in solitude for 12 years. Okay, and once there was no water, he stuck his stalk on a rock, and water gushed out of the rock. He able to memorize Quran, so his Sheikh told him to just recite Surah Fatiha 100 times. The moment he recited Surah Fatiha 100 times, he became a Hafiz. MashaAllah. People were constructing a masjid and there was a wooden beam, which was short. So he just touched it and the beam increased about 1 yard in size. MashaAllah. Sufis, these are all Sufi stories narrated by the Sufi Zakaria Kandhalvi just to spoil the brain of the Muslims. These are all mythological stories, nothing else. La'natullahi al-Kazibin.